Welcome to Reddy Technologies. Prerequisites to practice Python programming. Python is a popular programming language. General purpose, object-oriented, interpreted, interactive, and open source programming language. Okay, popular programming language. Say, to practice Python programming, three basic steps. First step, focus on Python environment setup. Python programming environment setup. Why Python programming environment? To write and execute Python programs. Say, if you want to set up Python environment in your computer, first you download Python software from python.org. That is Python official website. You download Python software from python.org, that is open source, free. It is cross-platform software. Python supports all popular operating environments, Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. Mac. You download your operating system compatible Python software and install. After installation, you can get Python shell, or you can say IDLE, integrated development and learning environment. Using that Python shell or IDLE, you can write and execute your programs. Suppose if it is Java, after downloading and installing Java software, you can't get built-in IDE for writing and executing Java programs. We need to download and install Eclipse IDE like third-party IDE. But in Python, built-in IDE is there, that is called Python shell, or you can say Python IDLE, integrated development and learning environment. For learning, that is enough. Suppose if you want to use Python for commercial purpose, commercial use, for that you can download and install PyCharm IDE. Just a minute. See, Python shell, or you can say Python IDLE, integrated development and learning environment. Integrated development and IDLE. What is IDLE? Integrated development and learning environment. This is for personal use. Suppose commercial use, download and install PyCharm IDE. PyCharm IDE, two different types of versions available. One is open source community version, and there is professional paid version. You can download and install community version, free version. Okay. First focus on Python programming environment setup. Next, Python installation is very simple. Within 2-3 minutes, below 5 minutes, you can download Python software and install. I think maximum it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Next, know about Python keywords and reserved words. Keywords are synonyms. Know about Python keywords or reserved words and identifiers. Keyword means a key to the code. See, in any programming language, keywords are important, and identifiers also. For example, in Python, keywords, code blocks are keywords. Means control flow statements. Control flow statements are keywords. If, for, while, elif, else. Next, some operators are keywords. For example, logical operators. See, most of the Python operators are symbols. For example, arithmetic operators, plus, minus, asterisk symbol, multiplication, division, etc. But some operators are keywords. For example, logical operators, and, or, not, etc. Okay. Next, keywords, conditional statements, loop statements, branching statements. For example, break, continue, return. They are keywords. So focus on keywords, Python keywords, and identifiers. Identifiers means, suppose, variable, function, variable name. See, variable name is an identifier. We use some name, suppose ABC, XYZ, or num, or my country. That variable name for identifying that variable. Say program, not only in Python, programming variables are variables. Variable names are identifiers. User defined. You can define your own names, but meaningful names. Variable names are identifiers. Function names are identifiers. User defined functions. Built-in functions predefined. Variable names are identifiers. Function names are identifiers. Method names are user defined methods. Methods are identifiers. Class are Python class identifier. Python variable identifier. Python function identifier. Python method identifier. Python object identifier. Okay. Next, focus on Python basic syntax. Syntax means system grammar. For every programming language, syntax is very important. See, here in our Python also some syntax rules are there. For example, Python is case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. All keywords are small letters. You can use small letters or uppercase letters for identifiers. Next, we write Python comments using hash sign. After hash sign, this is comment. Next, Python is a lightweight programming language, scripting language. Here, no explicit declaration of data types, no explicit declaration of data type like Java. Implicit declaration. We no need to specify we need not specify the data type. If you specify data type, that is error only. Then how Python considers how Python considers the data based on the usage of data. Suppose if you use x equals to 100, then internally it considers the data as integer. Suppose if you use x equals to 10.2, then internally it considers the data as float. Suppose if you use x equals to India, internally it considers the data as string. Suppose if you use x equals to false, then internally it considers the data as Boolean data, logical data. How end user, how programmer gets the data types using type function, built-in function, you can get that one. Okay, focus on basic syntax. Example, Python is a case-sensitive language. Python is a lightweight programming language. Next, we write comments using a hash sign. Next, Python follows code indentation for writing code blocks, etc.